Oh, welcome everyone. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Elena Vitruspeto. I'm here to take you through Google Translate. If you want to translate a word in your local language or in Chinese, you go here. You go here and type our word. Google. Type our word Google. So go here on our website. Go here on our Google Translate. So now we go here are many languages. You can want to change to many languages like Chinese, traditional Chinese, so simplified Chinese. Here to remain in English. So when we enter the text, to come, I will say where. So it will bring here our Chinese, and if you want like to record here, you go to record, to speak it. You can speak your word and it will be translated here in your tone. If you want camera or image, it can be anything. Research images, videos, or maps, or everything can be searched on here. I can be translated. Can be translated. Thank you for watching the YouTube channel. This has been translating. Like and subscribe.